Are you looking to take your Google Ads campaigns to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll discuss a powerful feature called Sitelink Assets. Sitelinks can be a game changer in increasing click-through rates and providing a seamless user experience. So let's get started. Sitelinks are additional links that appear beneath your main Google Ads text ad. They direct users to specific pages on your website, offering more options and relevant content. Sitelink Assets allow you to create and manage sets of sitelinks that can be used across multiple campaigns, making it easier to maintain consistency and efficiency in your ad strategy. Creating effective Sitelink assets is crucial for driving better results. Here are some of the best practices to keep in mind. Number 1. Choose sitelink text that is clear, concise, and compelling. Use strong call to action to encourage users to click on your sitelinks. Number 2. Align your sitelink landing pages with the user's intent. Ensure that the content is relevant and matches their search queries. Number 3. Regularly test and optimize your sitelinks. Monitor their performance, experiment with different variations, and refine them based on the data you gather. The benefits of using Sitelink assets are immense. They enhance the visibility of your ads by occupying more space on the search results page. This increased prominence leads to higher click-through rates and ultimately driving more qualified traffic to your website. Moreover, sitelinks provide users with additional options, enabling them to explore different aspects of your business and find what they're looking for quickly and conveniently. Not only do sitelinks boost performance, but they also enhance the user experience. You eliminate unnecessary steps and streamline their journey by providing users direct access to specific pages. This improves satisfaction and increases the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, customizing Sitelink assets gives you more control over the message you want to convey, allowing you to tailor your offerings to different audience segments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.